the third question. We had the third question. Go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. No.
Okay, cool. So I heard before, I think it was from Rabbi Reuben, that like basically if someone's parents call him, he has to pick up. So like if say for whatever reason, obviously he has to pick up, but like say for whatever reason he missed the call, does he?
Could you please repeat the question because the recording stopped? Go ahead one more time. Sorry.
Okay. So I think I heard from Rabbi Reuben before that what is it? Oh, if someone's parents call him, he has to answer for like kibud, abba, aim. But like say for whatever reason he missed the call, and it was like his own fault though. Like he wasn't driving or something like that. Is he just missing out on merit, or is he like actually making a sin?
I don't think it is a sin. I mean, if you never call back your parents, so that's the issue. But everybody understand that people are busy. Sometimes you send a blessing, right? So if you're in the middle of Birchas Hamazon, just to remind us, Halacha in many aspects treats Birchas Hamazon exactly as a Shmona Esrei. So you're not allowed to interrupt Shmona Esrei. You're not allowed to interrupt Birchas Hamazon. At least three first blessings, because they're biblical. Understand? So in this case, you will not be allowed to answer the call in the middle of Birchas Hamazon. You're not allowed to answer the call in the middle of the Shmona Esrei. So I mean, I know some people, they go everywhere with the phone and they like crazy. But normal people, sometimes they go like to the bathroom without phone. Other things like do without phone. So just because you did not answer does not mean that you don't respect your parents. You're going to call back, and it's understandable. It's not normal when a person always answers. I mean, when you may be in a 911 department, so yeah, of course, they pay you to answer. But otherwise, like, it's not like you're ignoring. So that's normal not to answer. Or call back when it is convenient. Good question. Very interesting. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome.